Hi Mosaic fans! I want to show you the Wissmach glass factory where I got this gorgeous glass for an awesome price. At the factory, they have scrap glass available to pick through for $1 a pound. And as you can see, it's not just tiny shards, it's large pieces of their gorgeous stained glass. Even Mango was enjoying the visit, though mostly because one of the employees shared his lunch with Mango. Here is their bin of coefficient 90 glass, which is unfortunately pretty sparse. I had hoped to find something good for my sister that fuses this kind of glass, but there wasn't anything interesting or basics like clear glass. There's even more glass here around the corner, and you can choose from any of these bins down to the no smoking sign. And someone pointed out to me today that there's also this bin of samples. Here's most of the glass that I got during this trip. It's probably thousands of dollars worth of glass, and I only paid $300 for it, so that was a pretty good deal. What I mostly stopped in for was this wispy iridescent glass that varies in color from amber to white. It's what I used as the background for the Copper 1 mosaic. I've fallen deeply in love with it and want to use it more. I wanted to find glass to use for more copper mosaics, but didn't find a lot. I did find a lot more iridescent glass than usual, though. So that's it for this Wissmach glass trip. I hope you get a chance to either go there or to another glass factory sometime, because in addition to finding this inexpensive glass you can pick out, they also give tours to show how they make the glass. I've never been on one of these tours, and I would love to, and I hope all of you get to go sometime too. Thank you.